Hi, I'm Ryan Nichols, CTO at DSA Ocean, and today I want to highlight the blog article for January 2026. So on the proteusds.com website, you'll see the latest article. So this article is all about talking about comparing ship motion performance between ships with different kinds of hull types, like multi-hulls, mono-hulls, that kind of thing. And in other articles, we talk about ways of trying to make fair comparisons between sort of variations on a similar design. Things get much more complicated when you're looking at significant changes or significantly different hull forms. So this gives you a brief idea about some other ideas that you can factor in to make try to make equivalent comparisons in ship motion performance. Anyway, look for a link to the article in the description, and thanks for watching.